Casement window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Cayce looking to enhance their home's aesthetic and functionality. Casement windows Cayce provide excellent ventilation and a modern look that complements many home styles. With professional window installers in Cayce, you can ensure a seamless installation process that maximizes the benefits of your new windows. Casement windows Cayce offers a variety of styles and materials to suit any home design, providing both beauty and practicality. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any modern home in Cayce. Casement windows Cayce are known for their tight seals, which help improve energy efficiency and reduce air leakage. These windows help reduce energy costs by maintaining a consistent indoor temperature, making them an excellent investment for homeowners. Energy-efficient windows Cayce are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round while reducing your carbon footprint. Double-glazed windows are another excellent option for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. Casement windows Cayce combined with double-glazed glass provide improved thermal performance and sound insulation. Double-glazed windows Cayce provide superior thermal performance, making them ideal for the varying climate conditions in the area. By choosing double-glazed windows, you can enjoy a quieter, more energy-efficient home environment. Window frame replacement is essential for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your windows. Casement windows Cayce require durable and properly installed frames to ensure long-term functionality. In Cayce, window frame replacement services ensure that your windows remain secure and visually appealing. Whether you're dealing with rot, warping, or other damage, professional window frame replacement can restore your windows to their original condition. Custom window solutions in Cayce offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique window designs tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Casement windows Cayce can be customized with different materials, finishes, and hardware options to match your home. From selecting the perfect style and material to incorporating advanced features, custom window solutions Cayce provide endless possibilities for enhancing your home's appearance and functionality. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the clarity and performance of your windows. Casement windows Cayce may require glass replacement when damage, fogging, or aging occurs. In Cayce, window glass replacement experts can address issues such as cracks, fogging, and other damage, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. With high-quality glass options available, you can improve both the aesthetics and energy efficiency of your home. Home window renovation in Cayce is an excellent way to update your home's appearance and increase its value. Casement windows Cayce are a popular upgrade during renovation projects because of their style and functionality. By working with experienced professionals, you can explore various window style options Cayce to find the perfect fit for your home. From traditional to contemporary designs, home window renovation can transform your living space. Window insulation services are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment in Cayce. Casement windows Cayce with proper insulation help reduce heat loss and improve energy efficiency. By improving your window's insulation, you can reduce energy costs and enhance your home's overall efficiency. Window insulation services Cayce offer a range of solutions, from weatherproofing to advanced glazing options, to keep your home cozy and energy efficient. Window maintenance tips are crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they continue to perform optimally. Casement windows Cayce benefit greatly from regular maintenance such as cleaning hinges and checking seals. In Cayce, window maintenance experts can provide guidance on cleaning, sealing, and other essential tasks to keep your windows in top condition. Regular maintenance can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows. Discover the benefits of energy-efficient windows in Cayce, designed to reduce energy costs and enhance comfort. Casement windows Cayce are an excellent option for homeowners seeking both efficiency and modern design. Our window installation experts in Cayce specialize in double-glazed windows, providing superior insulation and noise reduction. Upgrade your home with custom window solutions in Cayce, tailored to meet your specific needs and style preferences. For those seeking window frame replacement in Cayce, our professional window installers offer comprehensive services, including window glass replacement and window seal installation. Casement Windows Cayce installations require precision and professional expertise for the best results. Enhance your home's security with window safety features and window security enhancements available in Cayce. Our window warranty services ensure peace of mind with every installation. Explore a variety of window style options in Cayce, from casement window installation to window screen installation. Casement windows Cayce are highly versatile and can complement both modern and traditional homes. Our window design consultation services in Cayce help you choose the perfect windows for your home. Benefit from our window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit and seamless installation. Maintain your windows with our window maintenance tips and window cleaning services in Cayce. Casement windows Cayce can remain durable and efficient for many years with proper care. Our window weatherproofing and window insulation services protect your home from the elements, while window tinting options offer privacy and UV protection. Experience the advantages of window noise reduction and window upgrade benefits in Cayce. Affordable window services in Cayce are just a call away. Casement Windows Cayce installation and replacement services are available at competitive prices for homeowners. Our local window replacement experts provide competitive window replacement costs and exceptional service. Whether you need window hardware upgrades or home window renovation in Cayce, we have the expertise to deliver outstanding results. Trust our window installation experts in Cayce for all your window needs. Casement Windows Cayce installation and replacement services are handled with professionalism and attention to detail. From casement window replacement to window glass replacement, we offer a wide range of services to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. Contact us today for professional window solutions in Cayce.